Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update OpenAI fine-tuning datasets for analytics readiness, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To begin updating your OpenAI fine-tuning datasets, start by identifying the datasets you currently have. Review the structure of your datasets to ensure they align with your analytical goals. Examine the data types present in your datasets, such as text, numerical, and categorical data. Next, clean your datasets by removing any duplicates or irrelevant entries. Check for missing values in your datasets and decide how to address them. Common strategies include filling in missing values or removing affected rows. Once your data is clean, standardize formats across your datasets. Ensure that dates, times, and text entries follow a consistent format. Now, enrich your datasets by adding any additional relevant features or data columns. Consider incorporating external data sources that may provide valuable insights. Follow this step by transforming your data for better analytical performance. Normalization and scaling are crucial, particularly for numerical data. After transformation, split your datasets into training, validation, and test sets. This division will help you accurately assess the performance of your fine-tuning model. Next, revisit your labeling process to ensure all data points are correctly categorized. Use clear and consistent labeling to improve model training outcomes. Once labeling is complete, document any changes you have made to your datasets. Provide detailed explanations for each modification to ensure transparency. Finally, save your updated datasets in a secure format, ready for the fine-tuning process. By following these steps, you will enhance your OpenAI fine-tuning datasets for analytical readiness. This structured approach will lead to better model performance and more actionable insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.